what's up, you guys? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a good Memorial Day weekend. I sure did, for sure. I sure did, 100%. Nothing really too crazy. Just spend time with some family a little bit, and then spend some time at the garage. I did film a little bit yesterday, but I'll show you guys in a second what we were doing. But usually over the Memorial Day, yesterday me and Kyle were just working on the Z3 for once, on fixing the vibration that was causing the issue. And before I'll show you the photo on what it was actually the Weibo on the drive shaft in the middle, where it connects to my transmission to the drive shaft in between. So that the Weibo that was on the Z3 was completely destroyed. It was like a seriously close call. We took it out on time, and replaced it with the one that's on the E46. Only reason, since that's the only one we have, and since it was a holiday, ordering it wouldn't have been an option and waiting for it to get here, so we had to improvise and just steal the one from the E46, and it's the same thing. The part number's the same thing, so and that's what's awesome, owning 3 cars. We have, I have the Z3, the E46, and me and Kyle own the E30, which is awesome, so pretty stoked on that. And clearly E46 is on jack stands for the time being, for at least, I don't know how long, we'll see. The diff is out, that's gonna get welded. Thing is, get the welded diff, and also get condor bushings to replace everything on the subframe, since we need it. And so yeah.
You're mad that you didn't use that?
We were wow, that's crazy. So we were able to connect a little shutoff or something, a little adapter to a compressor hose, just to fill up these tires for the E30. Bro, that's fucking lit.
The dirty 30.
Bro, I can't believe that worked, bro. That's pretty cool. That's gonna come in handy. It's enough for this, because I'm running 2 compressors.
Till we get a compressor,
Yeah. That's pretty cool. And we got new doors for sure. Holy fuck. What? Yeah.
Now you also have this too, though. This right here is mint, because you can put this nozzle on right here. And anytime you're cleaning your car, you use this and you can get all the fucking dirt and dust and shit off.
Oh, lit. Lit. Well, let's keep it.
If we fucking need to use it for the car and stuff, this is the compressor we use.
That's good. That's pretty dope. I'm glad we did that.
Should I put it over there?
Yeah, just put it over there.
Alright, let's get this E30 over here.
It's pretty dope.
It's getting late.
We're gonna go ahead and move this E30 into the first one over there to the right, and it would be easy to push it this time, since the tires are already inflated, and plus everything's cleared out. Dude, this was covered in full of shit on NASA's. This whole whole thing was like a disaster.
It's like, oh, it's kind of rusty, but then when you look under, it's actually not bad. The floors gave them a good stomp. They're solid.
Dude, I think these tires are good. I don't think they were. I don't hear any leaks. They were probably just flat.
A little bit of rust for sure, but
apparently we're gonna get all this removed, grind it down, degrease it. Obviously, it's pretty much the same way how we did it for the E46 and Kyle's RSX. This is gonna be more like a 6-month project for sure.
It's gonna need new fuel lines, brake lines.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and push this thing out and just put it over into the other bay to be. I know. On an E30, that'd be fire. Yeah, it's all trash. It's all we keep. I also just ordered some plastic shelves that I can just hook up all these parts here and some other stuff like chemicals, like paint, solvent, you know, all that stuff, WD-40. I'm setting up. I already spoke with someone with Comcast, getting a Wi-Fi set up here soon this week. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. Yeah, and we'll be all set up, ready to go.
But I'm happy with he is
So it's the same doors. Definitely gonna get new keys. Gotta pick those up tomorrow. But with windows, which is insane. Wow, dude, this looks so sick from the outside. Wait. Holy shit, dude. This is sick. Holy shit. Side's locked. Great.
light cameras action.
This one's the one that we have to lock from the inside.
No.
Yeah.
This is the only one that's left, right?
Yeah, but this is the one that we have to lock from the inside and then lock ourselves out from one of these doors.
We can't lock this, huh?
What? Yes, we can. We could just open up this side because the key.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Open that one back. Why'd you shut that one then?
Shut the fuck up. Don't turn this thing on me. Shut up.
God damn it. This one we can self-lock outside?
You can self-lock it outside and the key slot's out here. You said there wasn't one. Just gotta pull this one. Yeah. Bingo. So let me know what you're gonna do. You're gonna keep going over at it, right? Just with it.
Tomorrow if I have time, and then tomorrow if you have time after work, maybe we'll tap the bushings out.
Yeah, I'll pull up.
Set a fire, you know.
Alright, so just like a quick little update before I end this video. So I got my wheel fixed already. I was just over at Cody's the other night at his shop where I usually kept my car over there for the winter. Went back over there, took my wheel, we fixed it, and so far it's pretty good, which I'll show you in a second. But if you've been wondering, yeah, like I have been driving the Z3 lately. I have been running the fronts that I usually run, the 18x10s in the rear. Just in the meantime, so I'm technically running a 18-inch setup and a 17-inch setup over here in the front. This one was a tire that had the air bursting out on one of the seams here. Cody was able to fix that, no problem. Came back last night just before going home just to let it settle over here, and you know, and this morning I'm just coming in, you know, checking it out, and it's still holding up air. And I believe I'm gonna switch these guys back on the Z3 and run the full 18s again. Oh, and just wanna say, you know, like thank you guys for giving me the feedback. I've gotten a lot of feedback, you know, on Instagram and on Facebook and stuff, you know, like you guys are loving it, and some of the comments I'm seeing. The views are picking up on the videos, so I'm kind of glad to see, you know, the improvement and the change that's coming along. Yeah, I'm gonna keep at it, you know, and I'm gonna keep you guys an update on the E46 and the E30. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the BBS wheels back on the car fully, since I already have the tire repaired. But yeah, until then, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.